about how to calculate the correlation between height and water vapor. In the first step, you must add the depth layer, water vapor, and vector layer of the place you are studying into the software. In the next step, you should cut the water vapor layer, which is oval according to the area you are studying. So we use extract by mask. We should set the depth resolution to the water vapor image resolution. Search resample. The next step is to create a layered grid, so we can use create fishnet. Select one of your layers. Select polygon. In the next step, we must have the height and water vapor for each point. So search extract multi-values to point. Only the point of our study area should remain, so just click. Then we should delete wrong values, so use select by attribute. Switch selection, then copy selected, type them in the Excel and draw a graph and put a line to points. We can calculate the correlation in Excel. Display equation on chart and display R squared value on chart.